It's Opal North, or at least the trail goes around to the right from it, as far as I know. It's Eau Claire, as the sign is. And again, the snowstorm is moving, continues to move north. I'm trying to escape it, but it's heading that way. So I guess I'm walking for now along a creek next to Eau Claire by Highway 40. I'm not sure which way I'm going to go or how far. All I need is to have some trip done today, so I didn't waste my time. The snow, of course, is catching up now via the south, heading north apparently. Continuing along the creek east of the summit of Opal North in Kananaskis. Along the creek here, it's quite enjoyable. A little zigzagging along this creek. No major obstacles. I sort of see some kind of a day-old footprints, but they are very, very difficult to recognize at some point for quite a distance. I'll see if they come up later again and where they are heading. I'm at a gas station. I believe that's the way up Opal, but South Peak, and that's the ridge. And unfortunately the clouds are continuing to move in from the south, which is south is there, so they're coming towards north. And in the north there are also clouds, so it's pretty much they're going to join. It's gonna snow everywhere pretty soon. So unfortunately I don't have any hopes of having any views today. As you can tell by Mount Nomad that appears, my goal was to climb Mount Nomad today, but in Kananaskis Lakes area is snowing quite heavily. I was lucky, I barely managed to come up a hill, on a steep hill there. Now I am near Grizzly Creek. Zooming on, looking at avalanche slopes. It's like the snow here, it's quite mild, but I don't know, depends on which direction those heavy clouds are going to move. By the look of it, they seem to be moving easterly, so if I go a little bit further north, I should be able to escape all this heavy snow that might eventually come in here. I don't know. No, here is a truck, I can hear it. It's gonna clear the road at least on the way back. That's good. Yeah, I got the first glimpse of the parking area. I should zoom on it. It's on the left side I parked, and I came along this creek, all the way following this, down there in a gully, over there, and then I went, I did a traverse here for about 200-300 meters now. I'm following some elk or sheep or goat, maybe goat tracks. For some reason I chose to do this because there was where I came up, eventually there was an opening. Like here is bad bushwalking, I won't be able to go through, but because I saw these trucks, I just decided to follow them to see where they go. And eventually I will have to find my descent, either going back the same way I came, or maybe something else comes up. Now I'm using micro spikes. On descent I will be using crampons for a better control. Yeah, again, now in a direction of North Opal, and that's it. The clouds look as bad as they did throughout the whole day, and I think I might call it quits right now. And behind me if I keep going along let's point this, if I keep going this way, I should eventually be able to reach that point, but that would have been the case if I was to had come here first thing today, not wasting all that time by Karnaskis lakes and so on. And unfortunately I'll have to turn around. It's already 4 o'clock. Should be getting dark at 6:30 or something, maybe 6 today with the clouds. So I got 2 hours. Yeah, there are visible the animal tracks, sheep or goat or elk, who knows. I was following them in the other direction for about 200 meters that way, where I took that video, and I concluded I shall descend the same way I came up. I don't want to take any chances, so at least I know for another time that there is this option. I don't know what options are from the call, but it might be possible. This is my position. I'm using a Microsoft tablet 10.1, Windows 10.1, which doesn't come with a GPS, so I have to attach this GPS to it via the USB. So Upper Ridge, yeah, I set it for 55 seconds to check the position, so it's going to try to get to the position every 55 seconds. But it's okay. It's enough time for me to zoom here. So this is should be Upper Ridge North. Unfortunately, I don't have any cache in it because my plan today was to climb Mount Nomad near Karnaskis lakes, but there was a brutal snow over there. So this should be the north. I imagine I could park even here, but it doesn't seem a 100% safe spot. It's a creek here. Mount Kidd, South and Kidd, and clouds. And again Eau Claire over there, which is closed now, and that's now Opal North, a cane scramble.